everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to Kotilingeshwara Temple. This temple is famous for high count of shivlings. So we wanted to see that with our own eyes, and hence we planned this trip. So we started this trip early in the morning around 8 o'clock from Bangalore, and we took this highway which was the shortest route to reach the temple. But this highway is not that great. This highway is NH 648 which connects to Malur and Bangarpet. Why this highway is not great is because this highway is very narrow, as you can see in the video, and the roads are also broken in between. You'll see many potholes, so you will end up spending 3 hours on this highway, even though it is the shortest route. So I would recommend to take the other route which Google Maps shows, which is around 100 kilometer to reach the temple, but that route connects to the NH75, and that highway is really great and will save a lot of time. So we reached around 11 a.m. in the morning. This is the parking area where you can park your car, and from here you can buy puja prasad and puja material, and then you can enter the temple premises. Once we entered the temple, it was a wow moment for us as we saw thousands of shivling lined up in front, which we had never seen. And we also got to know that there are 9 millions of shivlings situated here, which you can see, and even you can go and count. The whole temple is located in 15 acres of land. So there are 13 small temples located inside the main temple. So this is one of them. This temple is dedicated to Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. And this is also one of the rarest temple where you will see the idol of Lord Brahma. So after exploring the whole temple, we had a breakfast from one of the restaurant which was located inside the temple. And after that, we started back for home. And this time, we took the right highway, which was NS 75. That highway was really great, and we reached home sooner. So I hope you like this short video, and if you do, then drop a like on this video and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this in the future. Thank you very much for watching.